What we have here is a quadratic equation, and it has to be solved using completing the square method. So what you do first, make sure that the coefficient of x squared changes to 1. So how do you get to that? Divide both sides or throughout by 3, then this 3 is going to cancel and you're going to remain with the 1. So we have 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 0. Divide throughout by 3, so over 3, been there, over 3, over 3, over 3. These will go like that. So you have x squared minus 8x over 3 plus 5 over 3 equals 0. At this point, you can identify A, B, C. Actually, A is the coefficient of x to the power 2. So in this case, our A is 1. B is the coefficient of x to the power 1, and our B is negative 8 over 3. Then C is the constant without x, so it is 5 over 3. After doing that, eliminate the constant C on the left so that you remain with the variables, with the terms that as x variable. Hence you have x squared minus 8 over 3 x. This has to be eliminated. So for you to eliminate this, you can just say you collect the like terms, because this is a number, that is just a number. It can go to the other side and it will go as a negative number. So you have 0 minus 5 over 3. After doing that, it means you have x squared minus 8 over 3 x equals negative 5 over 3. The next stage, just write this x, open the brackets like that. You say x, write the mathematical operation that is after x. So the mathematical operation is actually negative. Then write b over 2, close the brackets and put a square. Then this is going to be equal to this negative 5 over 3 plus, open brackets again, you write b, you have over 2, then to the power 2. This one, we write it in brackets with x. This one, we just write it in brackets like that, then we raise it to the power 2. So, what is b over 2? We already have a b there. So we can be able to find b over 2. b over 2. b over 2 is going to be equal to b divided by 2. Our b divided by 2, our b in this case is this number, negative 8 over 3. So, b over 2. This is negative 8 over 3. Hence, we have a negative 8 over 3. Then divide by, we are dividing this by 2. So, divide by 2 over 1. If we have to do that, then it means that we are saying this is equal to negative 8 over 3 times the division changes to multiplication. Then this fraction inverses 1 over 2. When you multiply, you're going to have 2 times 1, negative 8. This times that is a 6 there. You can reduce this to say 2 there, 2 there. This is going to give you a negative 4 over 6. Sorry, a negative 4 over 2. So you have a 2 in this position. This is our b over 2. Okay? This is our b over 2. Now, you can substitute into that. When you substitute b over 2 there, please, for this part, ignore the negative. For that part, it's okay even if you ignore the negative or not, because this is raised to the power 2. But even this one, it is raised to the power 2. So ignore the negative when substituting there. Ignore the negative. Okay? So, meaning from this stage, we are continuing like that. X, in brackets, we have x, then minus b over 2. I said ignore this negative. When there's a negative, ignore it. So 4 over 3, we have 4 over 3 to the power 2. Then equals, this is now equal to negative 5 over 3 plus b over 2 to the power 2. This is our b over 2. This, now raise it to the power 2. So plus 4 over 3 then to the power 2. At that point, when you square that side, we are going to have 16 over 9. So what happens? We have x minus 4 over 3 to the power 2 equals negative 5 over 3. Then this plus, even if there's a negative, it will still come out as a positive. So plus 16 over 9. Where are we getting the 16 from? 4 to the power 2, 16. 3 to the power 2, 9. What is the common denominator? The lowest common denominator there is going to be a 9. And just this side, we are going to have x minus 4 over 3 to the power 2 equals, the lowest common denominator is 9. 3 into 9, 3. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. 9 into 9, 1. 1 times 16, 16. 16. Then the next two, we are going to have x minus 4 over 3 to the power 2 equals 1 over 9. At this point, you can introduce the root on both sides. You say the root here and even there. This root and the 2, they cancel. But this can be positive or negative. So you put plus or minus like that. Then from there, we have x minus 4 over 3. You can just ignore the brackets. Is equal to, what is the square root of 1? It's 1. What is the square root of 9? It's 3. So plus or minus 1 over 3. Then you collect the like terms. When you collect the like terms, you're going to have x is equal to 4 over 3 plus or minus 1 over 3. Then when you use the plus, it means you can have from here, you can have x is equal to 3. Sorry, x is equal to 4 plus 1 over 3. Then the answer is going to be 5 over 3, which is 5 over 3. 3 into 5, 1 remainder 2. So 1, 2 over 3. Then the other one is going to be x is equal to 4 minus 1 over 3, which will be equal to 3 over 3, 1. So the answers that we are going to have are 1, 2 over 3, and also 1. These are the answers. Please, this marks the end of the lesson on this one. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and be able to be updated as we upload some other videos coming forth.